Hello friends, welcome back. We are learning the voice calling application implementation in Android using the Twilio SDK. So in previous session we have seen the Twilio account console and Firebase console, and we have added one Firebase project, and we have also added one Android application in it. In today's session, we will learn the Node Js project implementation using of Twilio SDK. So I have already made a Node Js project so you have to go to this link and clone this project in your system. I have already taken the pull and clone. So here in the first step, you have to open the .environment.env.example file. So in this file here, you can see the below credentials. You need to put or fill up this credential using the Twilio Console account. I will teach you how to put one by one. Okay, first you need to copy this env.example file and remove the .example extension and make it like this .env file. So it will be our file for saving the credential or environment where credential. We can see that here. So I will teach one by one from where we have to get from the Twilio Console account. So here we have Twilio account SID. You can get this from Twilio Console. Go to Twilio Console, then click on your project. You can see that here account SID. You need to copy that and put here in environment.example.file. Then next one is Twilio authentication token. This is also below it, or token. It is hide. You have to press the copy button and put in the .env.example file. Then next one is Twilio API key and Twilio API key secret. For Twilio API key and Twilio API key secret, go to console, then key and credentials. Click on API keys and tokens. From here, you can see the right side button, create API key. Click on that. You can put your name, friendly name, whatever you want to put there. Then region, then key standard type will be standard. Then create API key. I will put Twilio voice SDK demo, then create API key. So you can see that here the SID API key and the secret key. You need to save these two credentials, because once you click on the done, it will not be visible. The secret key will not be visible and you cannot copy that. So you need to save that and put in the API key SID and then Twilio API key secret here, the secret key. Okay. Now next one is push credential SID. You need to go to account, then click on credentials. You can see here push credentials. Click on that. click on the plus button. You will see you need to enter your friendly name. So I will enter Twilio Voice SDK Demo. Here you need to select FCM push credential because we are using the FCM for push notification. FCM secret we will get from the Firebase console. Here you need to go to project settings, then cloud messaging. Here you can see the server key. You need to copy that server key and put in the FCM secret and then create. So here you can see that credential SID. Copy that credential SID and put here in push credential SID. So the next one is Twilio ML app SID. So go to the Twilio Console, click on Voice left side, then click on Manage. Under you can click on ML apps. Then in the right corner click on Create New ML application. You can put your name whatever you want to. So I will put Twilio Voice SDK Server Demo and keep these two fields empty and create. You can see that below it is created. Click on that. Here ML app SID, copy and paste in here in the Twilio ML app SID. The last one is port number. On which port you want to execute your code or on your server Node.js server project. So default I have selected 3000. You can put anything you want. So in this video we have learned that how to get all the credentials from the Twilio console. So thank you for watching this video. We will go into the core section of Node for server project in the next video. If you have any queries, questions, please let me know. I will answer that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.